Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi Nalavde. Welcome you all in our YouTube channel Vaishnavi Nalavde. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon to get latest updates of new videos. In today's video lecture, we will discuss remaining part of our resins part. In that first part, we will discuss about benzoin, guggul and ginger drug. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about asafoetida, myrrh and colophony drug. Okay, you can see this image of asafoetida, myrrh and colophony. In first drug, it is asafoetida. The asafoetida means hing. The name of asafoetida has been derived from the Latin word foetid, which means smelly. Asafoetida is a genus of perennial herbs. It has a very distinct pungent odor. It is a spice used as a digestive aid in food, as a condiment and making pickles. Synonym: gum asafoetida and devil's tongue. Biological source: asafoetida is the oleogum resin obtained by incision from the rhizomes and roots of Ferula foetida, belonging to family Umbelliferae. Geographical source: asafoetida is found to be distributed from Mediterranean region to Central Asia, especially in Iran and Afghanistan. 3 species of Ferula are found in India. Ferula narthex occurs in Kashmir. These are the geographical source of asafoetida. Then macroscopic features: color yellowish white changing to reddish brown, odor intense, persistent, penetrating and herbaceous, taste bitter, herbaceous and acidic, shape occurs in two different forms, that is tears and masses. Tears are rounded or flattened. Size: tears are 0.5 to 3 cm in diameter. Extra features: fresh tears are tough, which on drying becomes hard and brittle. The inner surface of tears is milky, whitish yellow, translucent or opaque. Masses of asafoetida: mass of asafoetida is agglutinated and mixed with root fragments, foreign materials and other impurities. Chemical constituents: asafoetida contains resin 40 to 65%, gum 20 to 25% and volatile oil 4 to 20%. The chief resins of asafoetida is asaresinol or resinotanol, present either in the free form or is combined with ferulic acid. Asafoetida does not contain free umbelliferon. Ferulic acid, when treated with hydrochloric acid, can convert into umbellic acid, which forms umbelliferon by losing water. So ferulic acid, in the presence of hydrochloric acid, they give umbellic acid, and after removal of water then gets umbelliferon. Asafoetida oil is obtained by steam distillation of the oleogum resin. The oil contains secondary butyl propanyl disulfide as its chief constituents. However, di and trisulfides, pinene and other terpenes are also present in the oil. The sulfur compounds of the formulae C7H1, H14S2, C16H20S2 and C10H18S2 imparts odor to asafoetida. These are the chemical constituents of ferulic acid, umbellic acid and umbelliferon. These are the chemical constituents present in asafoetida. Then next one, chemical test. Chemical test on treating its fractured surface with sulfuric acid, a red or reddish brown color appears. On treating with 50% of nitric acid, it yields a green color. On triturating with water, it forms a yellowish orange emulsion. Then fourth one test, around 0.5 gram of azafoetida is triturated with sand and 5 ml of hydrochloric acid. To the resultant mixture, a small amount of water is added and followed by filtration. On adding an equal volume of ammonia to the obtained filtrate, a blue fluorescence appears indicating the presence of umbelliferol. Then fifth one test, that is combined umbelliferon test. If the drug is in tear form, it is triturated with sand. About 0.5 gram of the drug is boiled with 3 ml of hydrochloric acid and 3 ml of water for 5 to 10 minutes. The resultant mixture is filtered and an equal volume of alcohol and excess of strong solution of ammonia are added to the filtrate. A blue fluorescence appears due to the presence of combined umbelliferol. These are the five tests of chemical test. In that, combined umbelliferon test is important. Then uses. Sometimes it is used as an antispasmodic, carminative, expectorant and laxative. It is also powerful nerving stimulant used in nervous disorders related to hysteria. It is also used as intestinal flatulence. Its 2% of suspension is used as repellent against dogs, cats, deer, rabbits. It is used in veterinary to apply over the bandage of dogs so they do not chew them. Okay, these are the uses of azafoetida. Then next one drug, second one drug, that is myrrh. Myrrh is a soap-like resin which is obtained by making incisions in the bark of trees that belongs to the members of the Commiphora species. Synonyms: gum, bole and myrrh. Biological source: myrrh is an oleogum resin obtained from Commiphora molmol, Engler and also from other Commiphora species belonging to family Burseraceae. These are the myrrh. Okay. Then geographical source. Myrrh is widely distributed in northeast Africa and southern Arabica. Microscopic features: color reddish brown externally and brown internally. Odor and taste: aromatic and agreeable. Size: 3 meter in height and 1.5 to 3 centimeter in diameter. Shape: occurs as round or irregular tears. Extra features: fracture surface is slightly granular, fragile and has a translucent surface. White spots are present on the broken piece. These are the macroscopic features of myrrh. Then microscopic features. These are the transverse section of myrrh. The bark of Commiphora species consists of outer sclerenchymatous cells. Beneath the sclerenchyma cell, thin-walled parenchyma cells are present. Towards the internal surface of the bark, schizoclysogenous ducts are present which consist of resinous secretions. These ducts are interspersed among the phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma is a part of secondary phloem. Medullary or vascular rays is made partially of xylem and partly of phloem are also present in the interior of the bark. These medullary rays are biserrate and extend towards the peak, it is parenchymatous cells with intracellular space, by passing through fibers made of sclerenchyma. These are the microscopic features. Then next, that is chemical constituents. Myrrh contains yellowish thick volatile oil, that is gum, resin and bitter principle. It has many impurities which make up around 5% of the drug. Ether soluble resin acids, that is alpha, beta and gamma Commiphora acids, are found in the resin portion of myrrh. The alpha and beta hexamalonic acids are ether insoluble. Terpenes, that is cuminic, aldehyde, eugenol, etc. are found in the volatile oil of myrrh. The gum is associated with oxidase enzyme. Chemical test: 0.1 gram of the drug and 0.5 gram of sand are triturated with solvent ether. The resultant is filtered and evaporated to attain a thin film which, on being treated with bromine vapors, produces violet color. And second one test, that is on triturating the drug with water, a yellowish brown emulsion is formed. The next one is uses. It is used as a stimulant and an antiseptic. It acts as a protective agent and it is astringent to the mucous membrane. Therefore, its tincture is used in mouthwashes and gargles. Then third one drug, last one drug of resins, that is colophony. So colophony is a translucent hard substance and is produced from pine oleoresin. It is used partially in inks and varnishes and is also used on bows of stringed instruments. Synonym: rosin, gandha biroja in Hindi and gandha bihoroza in Urdu. Biological source: colophony is yellow resin and abietic anhydride. It is the residue that remains after distilling the volatile oil from the oleoresin, which is obtained from Pinus palustris and various other species of Pinus. Generally, it is obtained as wood rosin from autumn pine stumps. Gum rosin collected as the exudate from the incision in the live tree. Pinus palustris and Pinus carbea, and finally from tall oil rosin. Family: Pinaceae. Geographical source: the genus Pinus is distributed in United States, France, Italy, Portugal, Spain, Greece, New Zealand, India in Himalaya region, China and Pakistan. The chief producer of colophony is United States, contributing 80% of world supply of colophony. Macroscopic features: colophony appears as translucent, hard, shiny, sharp, pale yellow to amber colored fragments. Its structures is brittle at normal temperature. It produces a smoky flame when burned. It has a turpentine-like odor and taste. It is easily melts on heating. Its density is 1.07 to 1.09 and it is insoluble in water and readily soluble in alcohol, benzene, ether, glycyl acetic acid, oil, carbon disulfide and alkali solutions. So microscopic features: translucent, pale yellow to brownish yellow colored, angular, irregularly shaped, brittle and glassy pieces of different sizes of conchoidal markings appear on its surface when viewed under a microscope. Then chemical constituents. Colophony contains about 90% of resin acids, fatty acid esters and resins. About 90% of the resin acids are isomeric alpha, beta and gamma abietic acids and the remaining 10% of mixtures of dihydroabitic acid and dihydroabitic acid before distillation. Resin comprises of high quantity of plus and minus palmaric acids. During distillation, minus palmaric acid converts into abietic acid and plus palmaric acid becomes stable. The other constituents of colophony are synapinic acid and a hydrocarbon. You can see this image of abietic acid and palmaric acid. Then chemical test of these colophony. In that, a solution of 0.1 gram of powdered resin is 10 ml of acetic acid is taken in a dry test tube and added with a drop of concentrated sulfuric acid. A purple color appears which readily changes to violet. The petroleum ether solution of powdered colophony is shaken with twice its volume of dilute solution of copper acetate. The color of petroleum ether layer changes to emerald green due to the Formation of copper salt of abatic acid. The alcoholic solution of colophony is added with sufficient water. The mixture turns milky white due to the precipitation of chemical compounds. The alcoholic solution of colophony turns blue litmus to red color due to the presence of diterpenic acid. And uses of that colophony, it is used as a hardening agent in ointments, adhesives, plasters and syringes. It is used as a diuretic in veterinary medicines. It is commercially used in manufacturing varnishes, printing inks, cement, soap, sealing wax, floor coverings, papers, wood polishes, plastics, fireworks, tree wax, rosin oil and for cardboard waterproofing. These are the uses of colophony. Thank you everyone and happy learning. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then first subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates of new videos. So thank you everyone.